Welcome to my new listing at 91 Green Acres here in Linn Creek. This is an incredibly private, very large, full-time living home. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's check it out. This home has a little under 3,600 square feet, very large updated kitchen, amazing beverage bar, and the master suite along with 3 other bedrooms are on this level as well. In the lower level, you've got a family room, 2 more bedrooms and a bath and an office area. This home lives big with tons of outdoor space as well. The upper deck is coming off the kitchen living, and this lower patio offers a fire pit area, plus more seating, barbecue area, place for the kids, whatever you like. This home sits on nearly half an acre with plenty of parking on the Circle Drive and an attached 2-car garage. For more information to book a private showing on this new listing, contact Krantz & Associates, 573-302-2355.